Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is DAFA.
Nice to meet you too. My name is YUDDA. Which hall are you from?
Okay, I'm from SMPN2KALITIDU.
Wow, I am also from SMPN Tukalitidu.
What are you going today?
Today, my family and I took part in community service activities in the village environment with our neighbors.
What did you get from this activity?
I got a lot of lessons from there, such as the benefits of maintaining cleanliness, how to make the environment clean and healthy.
What do you clean with your family?
We clean the environment by cleaning drains, disposing of trash in its place, and implementing 3R reuse, recycle to avoid mosquito attacks.
Okay, then I clean up the surroundings with your family too.
Okay.
Environmental cleanliness is one of the most important factors to create comfort, both in the home environment and in the surrounding environment. Every school always teaches their students to maintain the cleanliness of the school environment. In fact, many school cleanliness competitions were contested to attract schools so they care about cleanliness. Ways to keep the school clean, including disposing of trash in its place, erasing blackboards, sweeping classrooms, etc.